Well, there is a new update to Google Pomelli, so now you can generate a great looking and professional social media design, and you can even animate the design into a video like this one. And of course, it is being powered by the video model. That's why the video looks really good. So if you are a business owner and you want to create some on-brand social media posts, then let me show you how you can do it with Google Pomelli. First, let's navigate to this URL. And by the way, Google Pomelli is now still in the experimental phase, and you might want to use a VPN service to be able to access this tool. And you want to connect that to USA because again, it is only available in USA at least at the moment. Now click OK, and I'm going to click Let's Go. One requirement here is you need to have a website because AI will read into the content of your website to know the photos, the brand voice, the color, logo, etc. So you need to have a working website. I have this website that I created using Google Anti-Gravity, and I'm going to use it as an example. Let me just copy the URL and let's paste that into Google Pomelli and click continue. Now after that, the AI within Google Pomelli will visit the website, it will analyze the content, it will gather the information like the colors, the brand voice, the keywords, and basically anything that could be used as the reference when it is generating a design or social media post. Now, as you can see, it has done capturing some important elements on the website, but you can always customize the content. You can always upload more images, specify the font, the colors, and you can also upload some content from your computer. In this case, I'll just select a logo because I actually haven't applied any logo to that website, but don't worry, you can always add more content later. I'm going to click this, click apply, and after that, when you're done with everything, just click looks good. So this is known as business DNA. That's just the elements that could be associated with your business or website. Now, when you're done, you can start describing the kind of campaign that you want to generate, or you can also just select the suggestions based on the content that AI detected on your website. Now, in this case, given that I'm recording this video at December 2025, I think I'm going to add, I want to create a campaign about Christmas. So let's say generate a campaign telling my audience that my business have a 25% discount for any purchase before December 25th. Okay, let me just double check the text, the prompt basically. And okay, I think I can continue. Let's click generate ideas, and after that you can select the one of the 3 ideas that were generated by Google Pomelli. And of course, if you don't like any of the suggestions created by AI, you can always modify your prompting a bit to get a much better suggestion. Okay, so let me try maybe this one, 25% off. And just wait for maybe about 2 minutes for AI to generate some designs that later we can turn into an animated video. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, so this looks amazing, honestly, and I have a hard time choosing the one that I want to turn into a video, but let's try this one. Now, if you want to change anything, you can open the design and then you can specify stuff like the header, the color, description, and you can also add some call to action into this photo. But if you're okay with the picture, you can just download it to your computer and post it on your social media account. And by the way, you can also change the image, and this AI tool is actually utilizing Gemini Nano Banana model. That's why you can generate more images, but those images are going to be based on the photos that were found on your website. So it's going to be, again, on brand and quite similar to your website. Now I'm going to close this because I'm quite happy with the design. I'm going to go back and let's turn this into a video. Just hover the cursor above the design and then click animate and wait for about 3 minutes for the video model to turn that design into a video, and then later you can download that as a video file. Anyway, I'll be back in a second. Alright, so the video has been generated and let's take a look. Yep, it's very simple. Just a background video, and then there's going to be the text appearing after that. And apparently I just reached the video generation limit. I don't know how many videos you can generate, but it says at the moment I cannot create more videos. So this is my last video, I guess, for today, but I think I'm quite happy with the result. Now you can click the video by clicking this download button, and you'll get the MP4 file that you can post on Instagram, TikTok, or perhaps X, Threads, perhaps maybe YouTube Shorts. And again, all these designs are based on the content on this website, and that's why I highly recommend using this tool, especially if you're running a business and you want to save time by using AI to automate the process of generating social media marketing like this one. So that's essentially how you can generate some social media posts using AI and using the Google Pomelli tool. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.